Why is it that when we want a human being to change their behavior, we automatically have these answers that just fly out of our mouth? And then when we want the behavior, when it's flipped around, we absolutely refuse to do that. We respond in a different way. I'm going to have you consider and try on that your first response is not one that's going to benefit you. For example, if I say up, you say, if I say left, you say, if I say stop, you say, you all have oppositional defiance disorder. Congratulations. It's a human character. We don't like to be told what to do. Imagine you're having an argument with your significant other. And in that argument, they say to you, relax. Calm down immediately, right? Like that. Honey! She's looking at him like, how about this one? Take a breath, you'll feel better. But it's funny because like I work in my world is like Wednesdays and Thursdays I teach yoga, which is yoga and martial arts. We're going to dabble in that in the other room a little bit later. And it's more center-based. So it's like I'll walk in, I'm sure nobody does this here, but I'll walk into a school and I'll have a teacher like, relax, calm down, take a breath, breathe in, there's a tour coming, I need this job, calm down. Like that, doing that. And then this kid's like, why are you screaming at me? But then all of a sudden, it's like if somebody did that to you, it's the opposite. See, I've been doing workshops for about 10 years now, and I've yet to ever have somebody, when I say up, and everybody else says down, I've yet to have somebody say up. When I say left and everybody says right, I've yet to have one person initially say left.